tune-ups, all that stuff is available. Okay, so let's do number 38. Okay, so this one, oh, it's an Attack. Oh, with AC. Oh, that's pretty cool. But this one, it was brush painted. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, so I'm not sure if people like that or not. I know I don't. But I don't know. This truck was brush painted with a brush. Honda Acty ATTACK. Someone used a paintbrush and painted this whole truck. And it's got fog lights that were painted black. So, not sure why anybody would do that.
Why anybody would do what?
Paint this with a brush. Let's go. 164,000 kilometers, four-wheel drive, Honda Acty ATTACK that was painted with a brush.
What if there's like a snake back here?
Yeah, you're taking long enough. I guess we'll figure it out soon.
Okay.
Yeah, see, painted with a brush. It smells good in here, though.
Mm-hmm. It's got a weird lock on it.
Weird lock?
Yeah. It's broken, so they put a weird lock on it.
Oh,
like a suitcase
yeah.
lock.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this ain't it, man. This ain't it. Alright. End it here. Go over to the overflow lot.